Jai Gurudev children, let us see the lesson 3 more about the keyboard.
Now look at the picture of the keyboard. You can see different keys on the keyboard. For example, number keys, alphabet keys, caps lock key, enter key, space bar key, backspace key, arrow keys and some more keys on the keyboard. You all know the keyboard is the important part of the computer system. Let us recall and learn the use of some more keys.
We start with alphabet keys. To type our name or to type your friend name, or if you want to write a letter to your friend also, we can use the alphabet keys. You all know how many alphabet letters are there? Yes, there are 26 alphabet letters. So we have 26 alphabet keys on the keyboard. Next is number keys. We can use the keys marked with numbers 0 to 9. You all know what is number? Yes. So starting with 0 to 9, we have 10 number keys on the keyboard. You can use it for typing the phone number or your class roll number, for any purpose, to type the door number also, address. You can use this number keys. You can also use the numeric keypad which is on the right side of the keyboard. For using this numeric keypad, we should press the numlock key so that the numlock key will be on. Now let us see about arrow keys. Have you noticed the 4 keys at the right side of the keyboard, children? Yes, they are marked with arrow signs. They are called arrow keys. The 4 keys are called right, left, up and down arrow keys. They are used for moving the cursor on the screen. Arrow keys are also called cursor control keys. I repeat, arrow keys are also called cursor control keys because they only control the movement of the cursor on the monitor. Understood, children? Now let us see about special keys. There are some tasks that cannot be done by the keys we have learnt already. These tasks require the help of some other keys. These keys are called special keys. Some of these keys work in combination with other keys. Have you noticed some keys with 2 different symbols marked on it? For example, in number keys, we have the numbers also and special symbols also. The upper symbol is called the upper character and the lower symbol is called the lower character. Now let us see about the special key, shift key. The shift key is used to type the upper character symbols. To type the upper characters, you have to first press the shift key, and while keeping it pressed, you have to press the key that has the upper character. For example, you can take the number key 4. If you want to type the upper character in the number key 4, you have to press the shift key along with the number key. Then you can see the upper character in the monitor. That is, dollar symbol will be displayed in the monitor. We can also type capital letters using the shift key. Suppose you take one word, for example, computer. You want the first letter to be in the capital letter and rest of the letters in the small letters. We can use the shift key and type the C and rest of the letters without pressing the shift key. Then you can see that capital letter C will be in the capital letter and rest of the letters will be there in the small letters. Next, we are going to see about backspace key. Backspace key is used to erase anything typed on the left side of the cursor. I repeat, backspace key is used to erase anything typed on the left side of the cursor. We can erase it by simply pressing the backspace key once. Next, let us see about enter key. Enter key, also known as return key. Enter key, also known as return key. R-E-T-U-R-N, return key. Enter key or return key is used to move the cursor to the beginning of the next line. For example, you have typed on sentence. Now you want to go to the next line. Just we can press the enter key and it takes us to the next line. Understood, children? Now let us see about the caps lock key. If you are typing something on the keyboard, it will appear small letters. It will appear in small letters on the screen. Suppose you want to type your name or any sentence fully in capital letters, we can press the caps lock key. Then you can start typing the word or sentence. You will get all the letters in the capital letters. When you press the caps lock key on, a small light will glow on the top right corner of the keyboard. It shows that the caps lock key is on. Again, if you want to type in small letters, you have to press the caps lock key again so that the caps lock key is off. Next, function keys. If you look at the top of the keyboard, we can see the keys marked from F1, F2, F3 up to F12. It is known as function keys. It is also used as shortcut keys. For example, if you press F1 key, Windows help screen will appear. Now, let us see about some keyboard manners. I repeat, keyboard manners. M-A-N-N-E-R-S. Manners. The keyboard is an essential part of the computer, so you should use it with special care. We should take care of the following things while using the keyboard. Do not pull or push the keyboard too hard. It may damage the wire connected to the keyboard. Do not keep anything on the keyboard such as books and CD. Do not press the keys of the keyboard too hard. While typing, press the keys gently and remove your finger quickly from the key. Otherwise, the same letter will be typed again and again. Thank you. Thank you, children. Keep practicing. See you.